Hi everyone, welcome to High Tech Hooman. In this video you will learn how to create bootable pen drive. To make your Pendrive bootable, you will require an operating system ISO file and universal USB installer. So to begin with, go to your browser and search for universal USB installer. Open first link and scroll down to download option. Double-click on the downloaded software and click on I agree. After that, in next window select operating system you wish to install in step 1, and in second step select the ISO file, and in final step select the drive. After that click on create. Installation process will begin. After installation has finished, click close. Congratulations, your pen drive is now bootable. If this video helped you, then please like this video and click on subscribe button. Thanks for watching.